Stop scrolling, Cowboy. This here ain't no normal pup. This is the Super Pug. First power, the Snore Cannon. Loud enough to scare a rattlesnake off a roller coaster. Second, the snack teleport. Your burger, gone straight into his belly faster than a tumbleweed on Red Bull. And the final move, the butt wiggle Quake. One shake and the whole saloon clears out. Even the sheriff hides behind his horse. So, partner, if this wrinkly outlaw made you laugh, groan, or say, "What in tarnation did I just watch?" Then hit that like button, lasso that subscribe, and join the Pug Posse before he wiggles off into the sunset.